Welcome to Tableau. My name is Dawson, and today I'll be showing you a short tutorial on the simple but useful visual aid tool called Show Me. Tableau has many data visualization tools that assist in presenting a wide variety of tables, charts, and graphs in a personalized way. Show Me takes every visualization chart that Tableau has and makes it easy to create a specific chart that the user wants. Whether it's find a chart that shows a quarterly sales report or a scatter plot that shows trends of sales fluctuations in a 10-year span, Show Me can help us with this. So first, let's go ahead and look for where this tool is. As you can see here, to access the Show Me button, look towards the right-hand corner of the screen and click on the button that says Show Me. You should now see all the chart options that are available below the button. We now want to select some data. So for this first tutorial, go ahead and select Manager Name and Employee Satisfaction by holding down Control until both data sets are selected. If both data sets are selected, they would be highlighted, just like that. Okay. Now we can see different chart options shown under the Show Me button. This tool gives the user the best recommended results of charts we should use based on the data sets being used. So go ahead and select the horizontal bar graph right here for now. Now you can see two data sets in the horizontal graph organized by default from the Show Me chart. For this data set, we should be seeing the average of employee satisfaction per manager, not the sum as Tableau has set above right here. So go ahead, by doing this, select it with the drop-down arrow, go to Measure, and click Average. And now we should see the average rather than the sum. Show Me can also tell us how to start creating each chart by hovering over each one and seeing what data needs to be added on to create the chart. First, we would clear the sheet. Underneath Format and Server at the top left corner, there's a button with an X over a sheet just right here that says Clear Sheet when you highlight it. Go ahead and click that. You should now see a clear sheet again. Now with the Show Me tool still open, hover over each option and we should see different requirements to make the chart, map, or graph. For this example, hover over Maps and we should see a requirement for one geographical pill and one measure pill to be used to create the map right here. In this case, we'll use State on the left-hand side of the screen as our geographic requirement. Go ahead and drag the State pill into the Details box within the Marks box. Just like that. We now see a map of the United States with several different states that have dots. We also see the State pill in the Marks box with the symbol of details recognizing the change right here. Tableau automatically recognizes the state as a geographical data set, so latitude and longitude are put in the rows and columns for you to create the map. There is no measure being compared in this example until we add one in. For this, let's drag the position pill into the size box in the Marks box once again. We want to see how many positions are within each state. So for this example, go ahead and click on the position pill and hover over measure, finally clicking on count. Now we should see both state and position in the Marks box and see different sizes of dots per state based on the number of positions per state. Go ahead and hover over each dot and you should see a different number per state, recognizing the size of the dot and how many positions are in each state. And that is it for Show Me. This was a quick summary of how to use the tool in a couple of different ways. I hope this helped.